Hey everyone, this is CA Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. So new income tax portal was launched on 7th of the July 2021, and after that we are not able to do any income tax work. Whenever we are trying to do anything that relates to income tax, for example 15CA CB or downloading the section 143(1) response, then either these steps are not active on the income tax portal, or if something is there that we can do, then after trying it is showing as something went wrong. So in that case, what is happening, that usually people are thinking that by updating their profile they can actually solve this issue, but this is not the case. If you're trying to update your profile, then sometime what happened that you're not able to do login itself. In one of my client case, I'm just making this video so that I can create the awareness that because there are people who are not able to do login itself because they updated their profile. So in this video today, I'll share my screen and I'll show you that how they are not able to do login. So for that, you just have to understand that if you want to update your profile, kindly watch this video or just check it out that your bank is listed on the income tax portal. Because to update your profile you have to follow one step, that is a high security password. So you have to protect your profile first, and for that case you have to do through netbanking. And after that, after doing that step, if those banks are not available or not listed on the income tax portal, you are not able to do any login. Because after following this step, in my client case, what he's facing issue is that whenever he's trying to do login from the net banking, it is landing to the main homepage of the income tax portal, and if you're trying to do login on the income tax portal, then it is showing that this bank is not listed. So that's why we are not able to do any login. So now let's come on the screen and see what exactly the issue is. So let's come to the income tax portal. So income tax website is incometax.gov.in. Here you have to click on login, and after that you have to write your PAN number. Press on continue. Then you have to put your password. Please confirm your secure access message. Continue. Now you can see that login with net banking, and the option they are showing is HDFC Bank, SBI, Kotak and ICICI Bank. If I'm going to others bank, then there is only these listed bank, that is UCO Bank, Axis Bank, Indian Bank, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, City Union Bank Limited, Federal Bank Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, Industrial Bank Limited, Karnataka Bank Limited, Karur Vysya Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank of India and Yes Bank Limited. So these are the only banks that are listed. Now we are not able to do any login in this case. So this is my request to everyone: if you want to update your profile, then please check that if that bank is listed over the income tax portal or not. If it's not there, then chances are there that you are not able to do any login later on. We have to wait for a few days so that all of the banks can be listed over there so that people can do login. But before this, we actually facing so many issues in starting from doing login to do file their ITR to doing any work. We are actually facing lots of issues. So I would suggest that if you can wait to file your ITR, so it's good to wait at the moment. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.